Hello, I'm Carrie. I cosplay crochet and enjoy history bounding. And it is that fun time of the year, time for Christmas crafts. This year, one of the things that caught my eye when I did a Pinterest search for Christmas crochet was peppermint coasters. They're darling. It took me a bit to try to figure out how to do the edging, but once I got it, it was great fun and easy. And then I was hooked. I started with red because that's what I saw online. Then I tried green. I do like the green candies too. And then I got thinking, why not do one with all three colors? This is what I'm going to show you today. For this, I am using a 5mm hook. I have my red yarn, white, and I still have a little bit of the green sparkly from this ball, but I do have more. So if I run out, I'll just get the other skein. And of course, scissors, and you're also going to need a darning needle to sew in your ends when the time comes for that. First, organize your yarn. I'm going to keep my white in the middle because that's what I'm starting with. Then it will be the green and red when I get to that stage. But first, all we're going to do is start by making a circle. Slip stitch, chain 4, and slip stitch to make a ring. I'm just doing one chain here to get me away from the hook. Now I'm going to do 10 half double crochets. Because I want to do 3 colors, I need this final round to be in multiples of 3. So I want 30 half double crochets on that round. Slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, and now 2 half doubles into each stitch. Next round, we're going to increase every other stitch. I have double checked. Yes, I have 30 stitches going around. That's what I need. This is where it gets fun. I'm going to chain 5. Leave a little bit of a loop so that I can easily pick it up. Now we're going to get the next color. I'm going to move this one out of the way. I'm going to put a slip knot in. So I have a loop already ready. Go into the next stitch, grab that, and chain 5. Now my third color. Same thing, slip knot, into the next stitch, pick it up. Oh, that's a really long tail. I don't need it to be that long. Probably exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Keep the green and the red out of the way. grab the white, going to slip stitch into the next available stitch. Chain 5. Leave a bit of a loop, put that down. Grab the green, that's the next one that's down here. Slip stitch into the next available stitch. Chain 5. Leave a little loop, put it down, grab the red, next available stitch, slip stitch, chain 5. So there's my 3 little loops. You go all the way around and you end up with something like that. Pick up the white, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 5. Grab the green, slip stitch, chain 5. Behave, little yarn. Grab thread. I find by holding them, the 2 chains that I'm not using, if I hold them down, I find it easier to keep them out of the way. Slip stitch, chain 5. Because you are going around and using multiple balls of yarn, you will end up getting quite twisted. So periodically, you need to untwist your yarn. And then just keep doing this pattern all the way around. I counted this out, but I'm 1 stitch short. We're gonna fake it. I'm very good at that. I'm not undoing it. So I'm going to take this and actually put it right beside the green one. Now we are back at the beginning. To finish this off, I'm going to take my white, slip stitch it into the bottom of the white. And now, scissors, scissors, scissors. Leave enough of a tail to be able to sew in, but you can clip that and free the white from your mess. The green one is next. it is going to slip stitch into the bottom of where we started with the green. I had enough yarn, yay! Red. Slip stitch into the base of where I started with the red. Tweak a bit with the ends, and especially as you're sewing things in, and that will make your start and finish look nice and neat. And it's not really even noticeable at all where the start and finish is once you've sewn everything in. Ooh, I forgot. I had a Santa hat. There we go. Definitely very festive now. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have other ideas for good Christmas or holiday crafts, especially crochet, that I can do, let me know in the comment section. It is greatly appreciated. No matter what you and your family celebrate, wishing you safe and happy holidays. Take care, everyone.